In today's episode of Did You Know with Dan, I'll show you the blend command. It can be useful when repairing geometry such as text, wall scribes, or tub surrounds.
Blend can be used to connect two existing lines or arcs together. If blend is enabled, you will find it under the Edit tab. It is usually over by the break, join, etc. area, but if you don't see it, we may have to turn it on. Go to the Add-in Macros tab and then choose the Add-ins button. Find Edit from the left side of the Add-ins window and click on the arrow to open it. Here you will see Blend Geometries, and you can click on the checkbox to enable it. Then click OK. Now we should be able to find Blend Geometries in the Edit tab. Here it is off to the right. After selecting it, follow the command line where it says Select First Geometry. So pick the closest end of the geometry to the one that you want to connect, and then select the second. Blend will use an arc or arcs to smoothly connect the two others together. It will make the shortest path possible while achieving the smoothest transition. You may use blend, like in these examples, to connect segments of text or to repair a tub surround. I could also use blend to convert part of an arc into a full circle. If I had a lazy Susan, but I wanted the full diameter circle instead, I could use blend to connect the ends of the arcs. Blend always creates an arc or arcs. So if I use blend on these two rectangles, and on this one, both ends are 2 inches short, it will give me a 2-inch radius arc to connect the two lines, which I can measure by going to the CAD tab and choosing Radius of. And when I select the radius, as prompted, it tells me it's a 2-inch radius. And when I apply blend to my other rectangle, I'll get a different result. On this one, I only have one line shortened by 2 inches. Therefore, blend is going to have to apply 2 arcs to connect the two lines. And in this case, blend calculated the distances to make the two radiuses the same. And as you can see, both arcs flow smoothly into each other. Blend cannot be used to connect two parallel lines because blend applies arcs.
Thank you for watching. Now you know what I know. One more thing. Did you know that we have hundreds of resources available on our website for machine training and service? To find them, go to parkindustries.com. Thank you for choosing Park Industries.